Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking about arranging tasks inside of TickTick. And it's all coming up next. So here we are within TickTick. And as you see, I have opened up the calendar view. Now this is going to be another short video for y'all, but I do want to go over how you can utilize arranging tasks inside of your productivity. So with TickTick open up here on the calendar view, as you all know, I like to always have the calendar view open because I like to see what my tasks are and what things I have coming up for the day and this and that. But I also like to keep open the arranged task area. In this area, typically is things that I have put into my inbox and then eventually practice inbox 0 and got it out of there and put it into its own little list. And when I do that, sometimes I don't have a date in mind of when I'm going to accomplish that task. But if I have an open slot that I can do that task in during the day, I like to see that over there. So like for instance, here I have some open slots come up, right? I don't have anything scheduled or anything, so I can move one of these or two of these or whatever, how long I think it's going to take to get one of these things done. I can move it over from here over to my calendar into the spot that I want to put it in. So maybe I think that I can take care of one of these tasks here. So let's pick one. Let's say I wind up saying, well, you know what, I have time to do this right now. So I'll put it into that time slot. Maybe I think I can do that, right? And see, I moved it over, and now it has that date and time on there. But let's say, for instance, I get to that time and I'm like, well, I can't really do that. Well, maybe I want to just put it back over in the arranged task. Maybe I was like, well, I don't know if I have time tomorrow or not. Let me just figure it out later, right? And so what I do is I click on it, click on that date, and hit clear, and voila, it's right back over here into that section. Also, a lot of times when I'm doing a brain dump and I go into, say, the task tab here, and I go into inbox and I say, well, I need to clean out my car, vacuum office, take dog for a walk around the moon, whatever it might be, right? And then I practice inbox 0, right? I go ahead and click on it and I move it to whatever area of my life it is, right? But I don't put a date on it. So if we went back here to calendar view, now of course you notice I didn't move it out of here because I don't want to move it anywhere right now because this is just a demo of what we're doing, right? So I go over here to calendar view though, and if you notice, those items are even right here in my arranged task because I didn't put a date on them. So I could do those at a later time when I know that I have time to do it. Maybe I've done my daily review or a weekly review, then I can move those into time slots so I can get those done at a more appropriate time. Okay, so anyways, like I say, this is just going to be a short video, but I do want to give you all kind of an overview of why I use arranged tasks and how useful they are. Also, if you look over here, you see in the arranged tasks area, you have lists, tags, and priority. You can organize those however you want, right? You can also organize them by overdue, but typically I leave it on undated, and I leave it like that, and then I can just drag them over to wherever I want. In order to get to arranged task, it's over here in your icons here to the right now. So you have filter, you have arranged tasks, and then of course you have view options. So just click on the arranged tasks. If you want it off, that's all you do is unclick it. To click it on, there you go. So I hope that was informative for you all, and if it was, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these videos in the upcoming future, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.